Oh, wow. Are we good to go whenever?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. Man, I am excited. I'm very happy. Life is good right now. We are in Duluth again for my third time playing a show up here. Every single time I'm up here, the people, the music, it's just next level. I love playing up here. I love spending time up here. It's not the best day out, and we have a huge sold out boat party in 2 hours. So we're dealing with what we got. We're gonna stay optimistic. Battle the storm. Hopefully we don't go down like the Edmund Fitzgerald.
Bro! Yeah. No, hey. Knock on wood, because that's...
I don't think we're gonna get a sunset, unfortunately, but regardless, so happy to be here. Playing again at 12 to late for afters. We're here with Luis. We got the Minneapolis squad coming up. This is the room, probably like the nicest room I've ever been given for a hotel. Like this is crazy. So feels good to be back on the vlog. I guess we haven't talked since I put out my newest single, which was middle of April. So it's been about a month. And man, it's crazy how time flies, because I was stressing for so many weeks leading up to that. Once I finally set it off, it just did its own thing. I was really happy with the outcome in terms of numbers, which is like interesting subject, because for me, my mindset was to just get it out there and post it like that, publish it. That was the win for me, it's just putting it out there. So to see it stream well, to hear the nice things people have said about it, makes everything on top just that much more enjoyable. So already working on the next song, which we're gonna open with tonight. It's about all I know from my set, so we're working on that too. But we're gonna open with a new song tonight, and yeah, life has been really good. Gonna finish up the set, go grab some food, get on the boat, and start the night. Let's do this. Honestly, you could delete all the shit I just said for the last 5 minutes.
Manager Taylor into it. Make sure it goes up though, otherwise it's just gonna... Hey.
Gotta pay my respects to the Edmund Fitzgerald. Rest in peace. I made a bad joke about it earlier.
Oh no.
I genuinely care about the Edmund Fitzgerald. A new tripod you guys had? Oh, no way!
Nice. Good to see you. Good to see you, bro.
Bro.
Are you opening? I don't know. No, roses.
Not even on the tiptoes either.
Oh, so fine, I'm gonna break my neck. We made it on the boat. The sun came out. It is absolutely gorgeous, besides it being 50 degrees. This is a vibe. Duluth in itself. This is the beauty of Duluth. You get the nice industrial, coal, whatever this is, trains. The good industrial side, and then you have the beautiful nature. I mean, it's a perfect night. Absolutely perfect. I feel good. Get on in about an hour. We're gonna enjoy these other DJs, a lot of good homies from the UMD Techno Club, and we'll check in on my set.
we're good. So wait, can you do the moonwalk?
Yeah, of course.
This is a young Michael Jackson right here. Hold up. Hey!
Whoa, no cameras, no cameras, no cameras. No cameras. Oh, whoa, no. Whoa.
We're going to the party room.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Alright, chat, we're back in the room.
I don't know, you were like falling off your phone and never found it again.
Big for show.